Hello, good morning, Miss. So I'm Kaijuan. Yeah. So first I will showing the connection database to the Firebase. Yeah. Actually, for the for the Firebase with the Android Studio is very easy. We just we can just easily click here, click the tools and click the Firebase, and going to the real times. Get started with Firebase. Yeah. Actually, we can simply click the connect, then the file will connected and add the dependency. Then will ask us to do the to here. So I cannot show now, but the connection with data is very easy using the Firebase. Okay, next is the create account. So actually you can see through the Waymin size the sign up with the validation at the email address. So for my part, I just will emphasize the creating account. Yeah, so now I will show the validation that we do at the sign up process. So as you can see here, the code is show that the email should do like the email address should like start with B or what's gmail.com. Yeah, the Gmail like this is invalid because we have do a validation here. The uh, the email address should start with B followed by the X digit numbers followed by student new INTI edu.my. So this is restrict that just INTI student can log in. Yes, next is the name. Name not the special validation. Yeah. So what I want to emphasize is the passwords. Yeah. So the password we have do the validation that the password should have one at least lowercase and uppercase and at least one special character and not spacing and the at least 8 character. So I just do showing to you. Yeah, for something like this. Yeah, so you can see the email is invalid because not the invalid. Yeah, so if the password is not matched, yeah, so the password is invalid now. So okay, yeah, so the password is not matched. Yeah, this is the validation also. Yeah, hey, sorry. Yeah, I think this is okay now. So we have the 3 validation. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, you can see here the account is successful registered. Okay, so the login is very easy. So first we have a look at the authentication here. The authentication here is my INTI student accounts. Yeah. So later I will use this account to do the login process. Okay, my INTI email address already registered in Firebase. So now I can easily log in the application with my INTI email address. The password is okay. So when this is the correct password, then I show the validation if the password is not correct. Yeah, we show the login field and the citizen is incorrect. Yeah. So other case is the internet connection. Sometimes when I do the running the program, but the internet connection is weak, yeah, the login also will not running because the uh, network connection is very bad. So to use this application also need to promise the good internet connection. Yeah. So this is the login successful. Yeah. So from the code base, yeah. So just actually just easily take the username and the password. Yeah. So then just call the login. Yeah. So call the authentication. Yeah. The authentication is the function provided by the Firebase. Yeah. So here do the validation. Then if the uh yeah, if the login is failed, yeah, so here we'll get the exception. So when the login is successful, we'll just directly call here. Yeah, this is the if statement when the user email is verified.
For those who is not student in INTI International College Queensland, they might enter using their guest. When they enter to the guest homepage, they're able to see login to unlock additional features is back to the main page for login. Then second, for the INTI parking guide, it show the ground, road ground, investment, the parking layout view. For double click, able to zoom in and zoom out for the certain places. Then below got some sign about no parking sign, carpool parking sign, then elevator sign about that. So for the guest parking register, for those guests who want to double park, they might be able to fill out this form like now I want to double park, so I put my name, then my contact numbers, then my vehicle models like wheels, vehicle number I put ABC1, the estimated time living I can set it up to 3 to 3:30, then I will submit. Inside my database has already added for ABC based on the wheels, the name, the phone number, the brand. Lastly, for those guests have involved in the car claim, they might look over here like health and support, security and management office. For now, we can using our email and password to log in. Then how about when user forgot password, they can just click on here, then they will select their email address, then send verify. The message will be sent into my email, which is this one. So now we get the email ring, then we just reset it. For the new password I will continue using, then I add just one in behind, then I save. So now let's we try about can still log in with the old password or not. So we just keep the same one, then it will show cannot because I just now I reset my new password already. So now I add a new one in the behind, then now I can able to log in.
Okay, next I will present the registers page. The registers page is show the page show the registers that we have already added. So so for the register page, we have a look here. Yeah, so the title is create here and the button is create here, but the inside here I have uh, make a registers container because all the registers card actually is created dynamically from the Firebase. So I cannot create any card here. I just can create a containers. Once I take the register information from Firebase, so then I can how to say I can create the uh, uh, so I can create the card and put in these containers. So I just show my backend codes. Yeah, so yeah, this is the create variables card. Yeah, so this is the variables card call from the backend. Yeah, so first is take informations. Yeah, take informations from the yeah, fetch and display the variables, then create a variables card, then last of this, then a variables container at the view. Means that at the last we add the card into the variables containers that we create in the front end. For the add variables, so when I click the add buttons, we're going to the add variables. Here also have validation. If I click confirm directly, will toast the message ask us to do the ask us to fill in the plate numbers. So I fill in, for example, PNF. So 1111. Okay, the car model I just simply put Toyota, Honda, and the category I just put coupons. So when I click confirm, yep. So yeah, so we're told the variation is successful added. Yeah, when I click confirm, we're going to the addresses to Firebase function. The the function actually is just simply uh, simply take the variables ID, yeah, then save all of the information in the maps, and then uh, use the database reference childs and set values. This is the value set in the maps, and then insert in the Firebase. Yeah, yeah. If the variable is successfully added, so we'll choose this information. Yep. Okay.
For the user profile page, they can either click over here to edit, or they can click over this profile section to edit. For the profile section, it's not all the field is required to fill out. When there's no field is added, then I click on the add button. It's also to show profile added successfully. Besides, for the profile, the email and the phone name is not able to add it. When user is click over here is clickable, this cannot be clicked. Then for the phone number, for the call structure and the mailing address is able to edit. So right now with that, for the contact number to edit, I just remove one in behind, then I click added. Then the inside my database is already added, just in one, not for all.
Okay. For the edit and the delete buttons, actually the delete is more easy, because once I click the easy, then we'll call the delete functions. The delete function is go through to the database and find the plate numbers, then just delete. When I click the delete, yeah, so the erasers and delete will remove and refresh the page. So next is the edits. The edits we're going to this page, and here is got a function called edit button. Then we're going to the edit page. This is the edit page. Yeah, so for example, I edit the plate number. uh, yeah, so when I click the update, yeah, we'll call the update functions. So when I successful create the click the updates, yeah, so this is the plate numbers were updated, and when see the Firebase also were updated.
So how basically the double parking help works is when user click over here, then user can just enter the car who is double parking. Like I just now I insert ABC1, then I just go and search. Then it will display the vehicle plate number, ABC1, the models, the owner names, the order contact number, the order estimated move off time is 3 to 3:30. Then I can just click over here to call the owners. So it will jump over here dispatch with the contact patch.